Steam clean with me as I unbox the Karcher SC5 Easy Fix Iron Plug Steam Cleaner. This Karcher steam cleaner with its multifunctional accessory, it's actually supposed to help me clean faster and save a lot of time. That's the main reason I actually got it. The Karcher SC5 Easy Fix comes with the floor nozzle, the hand nozzle, and some round brushes for the tiny surfaces and more other surfaces. It comes with cleaning cloth and covers that are made of high quality microfiber that can be washed in the washing machine for reuse. The best part is that it has a child safety lock that minimizes risk of accidents. The Karcher SC5 also has an iron connection that can be used for steaming your laundry. So this one, we actually didn't get it when we were buying it, so we will buy it later. And this is really great to have all the functionalities in one equipment. It will save me a lot of time. So that's just Karcher SC5 Easy Fix in a nutshell, and now we can dive in to steam clean our home. I'm here with my SC5 Karcher steam mop with the iron fix plug, and I'm going to show you how I use it to clean my bathroom. So I got this bathroom as dirty as possible so that I can be able to show you how effective the SC5 is. And this is how it looks, the steam mop, and here is where the water is. I already have the water. I'm going to first vacuum clean the bathroom. So this is just before I use the steam mop. I have already vacuum cleaned, and you can see all these stains here and how dirty the vanity is. So I'm going to use the SC5 to clean up, and it's going to be without chemicals. That is the interesting part. I just have to lock here so that I don't forget when I'm changing the nozzles. It's dangerous. These are my accessories.
So here are the brushes. I have one black brush. Here is the glass and mirror clean. This one has been made. And then this is the one to attach to the hand nozzle.
The steam sign will blink. When it's ready, it will stop blinking, and then I can start.
Baby! My son is awake. Baby! This is how clean the mirror is. You remember the spot here that all came out without any chemical, no soap, and look how sparkling the sink is. Just see. You remember the before? You can even, I can see myself. Ooh, that is sparkling clean. Clean. at that. I think I'm in love with this one. I'm already in love. Look at the bathroom. Look at how clean the shower head is and the tub there. Oh, I can, I think, see myself there. The final step with the mop. You always have to double check if I have locked the steam. I have to wait a little because the cover is dry. But maybe I can actually, I will clean in between the tiles with this one. Yeah, in the places where I'm seeing that I have things. Not every place, just the places where I'm seeing that I have. Oh, let me look. Oh, you don't look. This is the outcome. Let's see how clean it is. And these things I add in between the tiles, I fixed it with the brush. Just see how clean that is. Oh, wow. Sparkling, bacteria free. Yay! You can see how the thing is shining. Everything is shining. The cleansing, proper cleansing.